Alright guys, it's Reed here yet again. Now people, we have the box in the back there, and of course we also have Alexa weather.
Currently, in Corbin it's 36 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Tonight, you can expect just a few clouds in the sky, with a low of 20 degrees.
Well, that's amazing. Well, you know what guys, it looks like it's that time. It's time for another exciting, insane, super official, thought-provoking strange food product review from YouTube's only true 365-day-a-year food product reviewer. We have the Bojangles 4-piece Homestyle tender combo. That's what we have today, people. What we get with that is we get 4 tenders, we get some fries, we get a big biscuit, Bojangles biscuits, absolutely amazing. And we got ourselves a Pepsi. And all this, people, how much was this? $7.30. Wow. Not bad. Not bad, people. Not bad at all. I do like their little sticker they put on here. Very cute. I'll show you the receipt here. There we go. Now you can see the price of everything we got at Bojangles. So we're very excited, people. This is one of the few places I've not reviewed a lot of. But I was coming by Corbin today, of course, and I was like, I'm going to stop by the Bo, and I'm going to have me some chicken. Just like that night when I walked in on the ex-wife, and she was getting herself some 12-inch BBC, I said, I'm going to get me some chicken tenders. Anyway, guys, we're going to give this a review and see what it's all about. So as always, remember, if you have anything you'd like to read, box, Alexa review, you got to leave a comment below, because if we like it, we're going to pick it out, and we're going to review your requests next. Coming now. Now, people, let's not forget, we got honey mustard to go along with the tenders. Never had their chicken tenders, people. Never have had them, and I'm very excited to finally be reviewing them. Got to be very careful here with this. Don't want to spill anything here. Come on now. Please. Oh. I was careful, people, because I am out of paper towels. I used them all on that sub review. Absolute chaos that review was. So here we go, people. Let's get right to it and dip it and go. Oh, Malcolm. Oh, Malcolm, don't stop. That's what it sounded like, people, that night. Just imagine somebody smacking an ass, pounding it. That's what it was like. Wow. Very crispy chicken, very good. I love honey mustard, people. Now the Bojangles honey mustard has a very different flavor than what I expected. It's very, very strong. Wow, very strong flavor. Exactly. Alexa, do you like Bojangles?
I don't have an opinion on that.
Of course not. Alexa, are you a socialist?
There are no voting booths in the cloud. Believe me, I've looked. It's all just ones and zeros up here.
Very good chicken, people. Tender. I knew that would be good, of course. Very good. We got to calm down a little bit here. I get overexcited on these reviews, people. I don't want to bust a nut on camera. Gotta be very careful. Here we go. Oh, God, that is tight. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Where's Malcolm at when you need him? He's ready to loosen some more stuff up. Really want to try their fries, people. Here we go. Very nice. Very nice. I will say this, people. Their honey mustard is very different. It's a lot more spicy than I expected. But still, it's good. It'll get the job done. It'll get the job done. So I'm very, very pleased with my purchase, people. You cannot go wrong with Bojangles. You really can't. That is good. I like that honey mustard. Very strong. Very nice. Alexa, do you like honey mustard?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
My favorite of all is Brianna's Dijon.
Of course. Alexa, do you like organic food?
Yes.
Of course.
In fact, I love chicken.
Organic chicken? Alexa, do you like organic chicken?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
My favorite is Mom's.
My favorite is Mom. My mom makes good chicken too. Wow. Alexa, who is your mom?
I'm part of the Amazon family.
Huh. And of course, people, we all know that the biscuit is wonderful from Bojangles. Wonderful. I do wish we had a Chick-fil-A here in this area, people. That's the one fast food place I am really missing. So many great items I could review from a Chick-fil-A. I actually applied to open a Chick-fil-A in this area last year, and I got turned down because they said the population was too small. Population was too small. So, but I actually did apply to open a Chick-fil-A. Yeah. Because it would do great. You know, there's all these fast food places, and Chick-fil-A would just be the bomb. But you know, so anyway, let's get back to the review here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is he gonna hit me, people? That always scares me to see somebody backing up. Overall, people, it's an absolutely wonderful, wonderful meal. Now, this is the Homestyle. They also have a regular one. I don't know if you would call it regular. It's called Chicken Supreme Combo. So I don't know the difference. I guess maybe the chicken's different. I don't know. I don't know. Overall, people, I'll say this. It's fast food heaven. 5 stars for the Bojangles Homestyle Chicken Tender Combo. The fries are just an absolute bonus to the already great chicken tenders that await you inside. This has been an absolute joy. I've really enjoyed this review. Thank you, Bojangles. And wait a minute, it's Taco Bell. Huh. Must be a glitch in the Matrix, people. Anyway, guys, that's the fish review. As always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow because we do it 365 days a year. Well, we'll see you later. Toodles! Oh my God. It's amazing. It's amazing, people. It's great. Wow. The mayonnaise, the lettuce, the onions, the tomato. Just a little bit of tomato, just give it a little bit of flavor. You've got yourself a daily double, people. Double the meat, double the pleasure, as the ex-wife used to say. Very nice, people. I think it used to be like $1.99. Mine was $2.35, if I'm not mistaken. I wonder how we got here. Alexa, what is my coordinates?
You're in Corbin, Kentucky.
Are we? That means we're free from the threat of the bear. The rogue cop that runs Middlesboro, not runs Middlesboro, but he's just a rogue cop and he's dangerous. Just imagine this, people. Imagine being in an area where a cop, one of the people that work for your small law enforcement agency, just imagine drug dealer, bully, and now a rogue cop. He's actually killed somebody. Yeah. Just walked up to him and shot him. Yeah, I don't know why. He's rogue. That's what I'm saying, people. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Just be careful when you go through Middlesboro, Kentucky. It's not safe. It's not safe. Barry.